1 to 1.5 sixth order. Metman 370 alternator, all 2-watt OFC welding leads. My little homemade busing station. 400 amp Spartan fuses. ...2015 Alpine Restyle. Got some Chinese telescopic drywall poles for braces. 1 to 1.5 sixth order with an 8-inch port, soon to be a 10-inch port. Alpine component speakers. Then DD audio M4B wired at 0.8. FSD 125.4 for my highs. And then this fat girl right here is my 45 amp hour C-Max. And got some wood back here and some fucking deadener. Trying to stop all the flex.
Alright, next up is Derek from Instagram, low_base6, as you can see in the top right corner. He has two Sundown SA V2 15s wired at 1 ohm and a ported box, as you can see here, tuned to 22 hertz. What he's running is a Piley 300 watt receiver, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, and a 2400 watt power acoustic amp with the battery, as you're about to see as well. Just a normal car battery, but he makes it work. And he has stock door speakers. He doesn't know what car they came from, but he uses them. And that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and share this with y'all in a second, get it playing. Just want to say before that, thanks for watching. If you want to be a part of these videos, all you got to do is look in the description to be a part of this. You'll see all the details. Message me on my personal Facebook or Instagram with the details in the description, and stay tuned. Demo time. Enjoy.
What's up, guys? It's our 2004 Mazda 3 sedan. Currently for electric, it has stock alternator, but I have a 270 amp alternator from excessive amperage that will be going back in. I also have a excess power D 3400 12 volt battery up front. There's also another 65 amp hour AGM and a 50 amp hour lithium behind the box. For power, I have as well the UC31 Ultra Cap. I have a 5K, the Nemesis Audio NA5KD, a SCAR 150.4 which powers 4 SCAR TX 6x8s, the 2 PRV10s and the 2 horns. And the system is a 6th order with 2 DB3 12s that have been reconed. They have no spider packs. They go straight to the landing, and triple tinsel leads. The 6th order is tuned 27 low and 56 high. 2 4-inch precision ports, 14.5-inch port here, and SPL cartel knob, Sony head unit, and that's about it. Alright, let's demo this sucker.
My bitch drive an all white rank. Couldn't hit it if some niggas had iron. Don't.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.